Top 5 Best Table Saw Stand. Number 5. Makita 194093-8 Adjustable Portable Table Saw Stand. Makita is known for its precision tools, and the 194093-8 Adjustable Portable Table Saw Stand continues that tradition. This stand is highly versatile, with pressure-assisted cylinders on both sides that allow for quick and easy adjustments. Whether you're setting up at a job site or in a workshop, this stand ensures you have a solid, reliable base to work from. The stand is designed for durability, featuring a thick steel frame that maintains its rigidity even under heavy loads. The wheels are made from hard rubber, so you won't have to worry about them going flat, which is especially useful if you're frequently moving it across different terrains. It's compatible with Makita portable table saws as well as most other major brands, making it a flexible option for a wide range of users. With a weight of 68 pounds, this stand isn't the lightest, but the added stability and build quality more than make up for it. It's designed to support larger, more powerful table saws, making it a top pick for serious woodworkers or contractors who need a heavy-duty stand that's built to last. Coming in number 4. Bosch TS2100 Gravity Rise Table Saw Stand. Bosch TS2100 is a game-changer for those who dread the physical effort involved in setting up and breaking down their saw stands. Its gravity rise system allows you to raise and lower the stand effortlessly with the turn of a release lever and a bit of hand pressure. This feature alone makes it a great choice for professionals who need to adjust the height frequently to match different tasks or personal preferences. Durability is another highlight of this stand. It's built from heavy-gauge tubular steel, which can handle the toughest job sites without flinching. Despite its rugged build, the Bosch TS2100 is highly portable thanks to its 8-inch pneumatic wheels, which roll smoothly over rough terrain. Universal mounting slots ensure it's compatible with most portable table saws, making it a versatile choice for anyone who needs a sturdy, reliable stand that's easy to set up and move. Coming in number 3. Powertech Mt4009 Table Saw Stand. For those who need a table saw stand that combines stability and portability, the Powertech Mt4009 hits the mark. This stand is crafted from solid steel plates and features a tubular steel body, providing a rugged work platform that can support heavy machines, including larger table saws. Its 22 5/8 bed height makes it ideal for use with various types of saws, ensuring you can perform a wide range of tasks efficiently. One of the best features of the Powertech Mt4009 is its automatic locking system. Once set up, the stand locks securely in place, offering a stable work surface. When it's time to pack up, the pin release lever makes folding for storage quick and easy. You can store the stand either vertically or horizontally, even with a saw attached. Its large rubber wheels and wide handle ensure smooth mobility, while the 330 pounds weight capacity allows you to handle larger projects without worry. Coming in number 2. DeWalt DW7440 RS Table Saw Stand. DeWalt DW7440 RS is all about mobility and ease of use. Weighing only 33 pounds, this stand is designed to reduce the load you have to carry by 20% compared to competing stands, which is a huge plus if you need to move it around frequently. A standout feature is its heavy-duty kickstand, which allows the stand to balance upright for storage and easy mobility. The stand also excels in stability, with a wide base and offset rear legs that enhance support. This ensures smooth material feed control, essential for precision tasks. When you're ready to pack up, the folding legs with quick-release levers make it a breeze to collapse and transport. The soft grip handle and large wheels allow you to pull it behind you easily, even over rough job site terrain or up steps. It's made of heavy-duty aluminum, so you can trust it to handle loads of up to 200 pounds. Without compromising on portability or strength. Coming in number 1. KER Folding Workt Table. KEter Folding Workt Table is the epitome of convenience. With the ability to set up in just 30 seconds, it's ideal for those who need an instant workspace without the hassle of assembly. It's not just about speed, though it's also incredibly robust. The work surface can support up to 1,000 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks such as woodworking or metalworking. The 12 inches clamps, which can be positioned either horizontally or vertically, ensure your materials stay secure no matter the job. What makes this table stand out is its versatility. It's not just for table saws, you can use it for a wide range of tools and tasks. The quick open and fold away design means you can store and transport it with ease. Durability is another strong suit here, as it's made from weather-resistant polypropylene and resin, complemented by aluminum legs that won't rust or dent. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, this work table is built to last.